What if I told you there's a device you can place on your forehead and in just a few seconds, your eyes turn white? You enter a trance where you can play games with your thoughts, talk to other players, and even see your future. This strange device, called Nubbin, is all over the internet right now. But the real question is it real? In the last few days, social media has exploded with videos and posts about Nubbin. People say it's a brain chip that lets you relive memories, explore dream worlds, and spend hours in a virtual reality that feels real. Some even believe it can predict what's going to happen in your life. With all these wild claims, many are wondering, is this the future of technology or just another online trick? Here's the simple truth. Nubbin is not real. It's not an actual brain chip. It's a clever marketing stunt for Netflix's popular show, Black Mirror. The team behind the show created a fake company called TCKR Systems, made websites, TikTok videos, and even LinkedIn profiles to make the Nubbin look real. This campaign was designed to get people talking before the release of Black Mirror Season 7, which comes out on April 10th in 2025. The campaign was so realistic that even some news outlets believed it was true. Fake leaked emails were shared online, including one that said, "Hey Charlie, we are almost ready for the launch of the Nubbin team." Whoop! This was later confirmed to be part of the marketing plan. The promos described Nubbin as a device that could take you into a dream world where you could explore lost memories, star in your favorite movies, and travel to other galaxies, all in your mind. Their slogan even said, "Reality is boring. Time for something better." Fans of Black Mirror will recognize TCKR systems from earlier episodes like San Junipero, Playtest, and Bandersnatch. In Season 7, Nubbin will be part of new episodes such as Eulogy, Hotel Reverie, and a sequel to USS Callister. Even though Nubbin isn't real, it makes us think, could a device like this exist in the future? Companies like Neuralink are already working on technology that connects the human brain with computers. What we see in shows like Black Mirror might not be so far away after all. So no, you can't put a Nubbin chip in your brain yet. But the buzz around it shows how close we might be to a future where thoughts and machines connect directly. What about you? If a real device like Nubbin came out, would you try it or stay far away? Tell us in the comments.
I can't believe this thing is actually real. I didn't think it was a real thing when I saw some other people use it. I'm terrified to kind of use it myself now in case it freaks my brain out.